you can expect a lot from the 2016 Acura MDX. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes leather upholstery, a power seat, an outside temperature display, a headlight cleaning system, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Acura's comprehensive certification process, including a 150-point inspection. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.